what's up guys, Adam Lobo here from Adam Lobo TV once again on the same day. Now from releasing their new M series just earlier yesterday, Samsung has now introduced another two more smartphones under the A series, this time which is the A30 and the A50, and I will share my first impressions of these two phones, so keep watching. Now going through the design, the A30's back is made of plastic. It felt pretty good, and the cameras are arranged in a vertical position, and there is the fingerprint scanner at the back. Then as for the A50, there's no fingerprint sensor at the back because it has the in-display fingerprint sensor right in the screen. Now speaking of the phone screen, both screens has a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED display of 1080 by 2340 pixels, and similar like the M series, both of these phones comes with Samsung's version of the teardrop notch, where this time it's called the Infinity U display. Now in terms of color choices, the A30 comes in black, white and blue, and the A50 comes with the same colors with the added coral color into the lineup as well. Now as for the ports and buttons, both phones are the same with the volume rockers and the power button which is placed on the right, and below there is the USB-C port and a single mono 5-ring speaker, and it comes with the headphones jack. And then on the left there is the SIM card slot which as usual supports up to 2 SIMs, and of course the micro SD card slot which supports up to an amazing 512 gigs of storage. And as for the phone's camera, there's two cameras for the A30 which is a 16 megapixel f1.7 and a 5 megapixel ultra wide lens of an aperture value of f2.2. And then the A50 comes with 3 lenses instead with a different array of cameras. First is a bigger 25 megapixel f1.7 aperture and an 8 megapixel f2.2 aperture, and also a 5 megapixel f2.2 aperture which acts as a depth sensor. Then as for the front camera, the A30 comes with a 16 megapixel f2.0 and the A50 comes with a 25 megapixel f2.0 aperture as well. And like I've mentioned in my other first impressions video, I will test out the camera fully once I get my hands on a review unit, so don't forget to subscribe to Adam Lobo TV if you haven't done so. Then when it comes to the video recording, both phones are the same, up to 30 frames per second at 1080p. Now looking at the insides of both of the phones, the A30 comes with the Exynos 7904 chipset and the A50 comes with the 9610 chipset instead. And the Samsung Galaxy A30 comes with the Mali G71 MP2 GPU, and the A50 comes with the Mali G72 MP3 GPU. Now in terms of software, the good news is that both of the phones comes shipped with Android 9.0 Pie with a brand new Samsung's One UI skin, which is a really great added feature. And when it comes to battery, both phones comes with a 4000 milliamps of battery with fast charging at 15 watts. And yes, you will get my full battery test on this phone once I get my review unit of the phone as well. Now as for the phone's price here in Malaysia, the A30 is going for 799 ringgit for the 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gig storage variant, and the A50 will be retailing at 1199 ringgit for the 6 gigs of RAM plus 128 gig storage variant. And if you guys are planning to get it, it is available on the Samsung Experience stores, which I'll link everything at the description below. So guys, do let me know what you guys would like to know about these two brand new A-series devices from Samsung at the comment section below. And as soon as I get my hands on either one of the phones or even both of the phones, I will answer every single questions over there as well. Aside from that, thank you so much. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick first impressions video. And if you did, be sure to give this video a nice loving big thumbs up. Like, share and subscribe to Adam Lobo TV if you haven't done so. Don't forget to hit the bell icon just next to it to get notified for my future videos. Thank you so much for watching. This is Adam Lobo, and I'll catch you guys really soon.